Halolele. My name is Malosi and this is my granddad Saia, and today we're gonna be making Sipi and Lu Pulu.
What are the ingredients that we have to make the lu?
Oh well, we are going to have talatop. See, we call it lu, and then the coconut,
New.
and then the corned beef,
Kapa
And Sipi.
onion,
and garlic.
Galaki.
That's all.
Make sure you wash your hands before you cook.
like we did.
Okay, Malosi, we start to make the lu pulu. You open the tin, please. Talavou, here. You can pour half of it to here. That's only half. Yep. You can put the onion for me and garlic. Come on, put it together. See? See, this one lu. Good, good, good. The next one.
How much leaves are we gonna use for this one, Granny?
Six.
The same. 4, maybe 5.
Yep. It's very good. Oil up. Yeah. Okay.
How long do we cook the sipi?
We cook the sipi until it's well cooked, until it's soft. Okay. Into all of them. Pour it. Yep. A bit more. Okay.
You taught me how to make lu.
I learned it from my friend there, friend bar. Okay. Yeah, that's okay. Bring all the bull, all the meat. All the meat, all.
When do Tongans eat lu?
Mostly Sunday, every Sunday. So they make the lu before they off to church. And more liquid. Okay. Yep. After church, you come and have a nice lu.
Now we put it in the oven.
We cook it for 1 hour to 1 hour and 30 minutes. on 200 degrees. So our lu's ready just in time for dinner time to taste the goodness.
Lotu.
E ki ta puaki me a kai a meni.
Okay.
Ofa